And we are back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this color cube using the shape builder and the live paint bucket tool. Let us start by making sure that under view we've got the smart guides and snap to point activated, and under window we will need the swatches menu. It's this symbol, so if you don't have it, go to window and swatches. Let us start with the black color first, and we'll need the rectangle tool. So I've got no stroke, just a fill color. I drag a random rectangle, press V for the selection tool, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, and hold Shift to position it right next to the first one, then press Ctrl D 4 times. We've got 6 of them, select them all, right click group, then Alt, drag a copy out of it, press Ctrl D. We've got 3 copies of these groups. I'll rotate them 60 120 degrees, select them all and use the align menu. So here's our grid that we want to have. And now we will use the shape builder to hold Alt and get rid of everything that we don't need to create the cube. Next step is to use the live paint bucket tool. I open the swatches menu and select the first red color over here, and I click on one of these triangles. Then I use the arrow keys to the right and left to go through all of these color swatches. So I go one to the right every time I click on a new triangle, and when I've reached a certain color I'll simply go backwards to the left. To undo steps if I misclicked, I'll simply press Ctrl Z. And that's it. This is how easy you can create this color cube effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's already grouped, you can resize it holding Shift and Alt. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.